In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable background sync in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you've been looking for a way to stop websites from continuing to sync data in the background, reduce unnecessary activity, or improve your browser privacy and performance, this guide is for you. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and controls. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Edge settings page where you can manage privacy, security, site permissions, appearance, and more. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains the controls related to tracking prevention, search behavior, and several privacy-related features inside Edge. Now scroll through the available options until you find Site Permissions. Click on that to open the Permissions area for websites. This is where Edge lets you control what sites are allowed to do, including access to things like location, camera, notifications, and background activity. Inside Site Permissions, click on All Permissions. This will show you the full list of permissions that can be managed for websites in Microsoft Edge. Next, look for Background Sync and click it. Background Sync is the setting that allows websites to finish syncing data even after you have left the page or closed the tab. In some cases, you may want to turn this off to limit background activity and keep your browser a little lighter and more private. Once you open Background Sync, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn the toggle off. When the switch is disabled, websites will no longer be able to use background sync in Edge, and that's it. You've now successfully disabled background sync in Microsoft Edge. This is a quick but useful setting change if you want more control over site behavior and fewer background processes running while you browse. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tutorials, Windows tips, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.